In this video, we will see how we can add some extension on our Microsoft Excel software. So at first we need to open Microsoft Excel and then we have to click File and this type of menu will be appeared. From here we have to choose this option, Get Add-ins. We just need to click here and it will open like this type of window. And here we will find different types of add-ins for Microsoft Excel. Suppose we want to add an extension like Wikipedia, so we just need to select it and add it. If you don't find the extension over here, just click here and search by typing the name of the extension or what type of extension you are looking for. In this way you can search, but I'm not going to show you how to search. It's pretty straightforward. So you can actually click here and start typing something and then start clicking searching, and from the extension list you can choose your desired extension. So for example, we want to install Wikipedia, so we just need to click here and then it will open like that, and then we can see the details of this extension like description like this, and if you click show more it will give us the detailed description, and it will also tell us like the version number, when it is released, and what type of language it is supported. Okay, so in this way we can actually get the desired extension, and then after that we need to click this add button. Using this add button, basically we can install that thing. So I'm going to click add, and then it will ask like this. So one moment, and some text is there, and there is two buttons. One is cancel and there is continue. If we press the cancel button or close button, then this extension will not be installed. But if we press this continue button, then this Excel extension will be installed with this Excel software. Our goal was to install some extension, so I'm going to click continue this button and it will start installation of that thing. Once it is installed successfully, then we will find the Wikipedia extension, extension which we just installed on the right side. Now from here we can search something like Google, for example. If we search Google, then we'll find this type of thing, and here we'll find the details of the Google from the Wikipedia. And suppose if we want to actually go to check some images, and if we want to download some image from this Wikipedia page, we can also download it. So to insert any image, basically we need to drag this image from here to here. So suppose we want to insert this Google logo inside our Excel sheet, so I'm going to click here and dragging it to the Excel sheet, and now we can properly put the location where we want to insert this image. Same way, if we want to insert any image, we can also do the same way. We just need to select the image and then we have to drag it in the Excel sheet, and the image will be inserted directly our Excel. Similar way, if we want to add some text, like for example history, if we want to add some history from this Wikipedia page, we can also do that. So I'm going to select this thing like this paragraph we want to insert. Okay, once we select this, then we will find a plus button. So basically if we click here, then it will be inserted on the Excel. But before that we need to choose the cell where we want to insert. Suppose we want to insert in this cell, and after that if we click here, it will be inserted over there. So that's it guys. In this way basically we can actually insert the text from this Wikipedia page. So in this way we can easily install our desired extension for our Microsoft Excel. In this video I just showed you only one extension, how to use that and how to install that, and how we can create good content, or we can insert some image or something from other location of the website by using an Excel extension. In this way basically for other extension there is some sort of functionality for each Excel add-ins. Basically each functionality is there, so you can check from there, and based on your requirement you can install that and you can use that for your Excel. That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video.